Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to Canadian Tire and Walmart because our microwave almost blew up. Yeah. It was like gashing. It was so scary. Oh my god. Guys, so yeah, we're going there now. They have these, but no, we don't want no Panasonic. Panasonic is the worst. Sorry.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, they have Toshiba.
I don't know any of these brands.
Me either. They have a lot, but we don't know any of these brands. What's MasterChef? I've never heard of that before. Yeah, they have a lot of MasterChef. Wow. They have Vida. Never heard of that before. I think I've heard of Toshiba before, but yeah. Not sure about these. Maybe we'll have to go to Walmart to see. Yeah, so we're not getting it here because they don't have any good ones. So we're heading to Walmart now. Oh my god, look, they have like a Halloween house. Oh, it's so scary.
You have a good day.
Oh. Whoa! It's so creepy. Oh my god, I ran out so quick. It was so scary in there. Ooh, my heart was like pumping so fast.
Really?
Now we're at Walmart. We're gonna look to see if they have any microwaves. Oh, they may be like your back.
Oh man.
Hopefully we can find a good one here. If we can't find a good one, then that would just suck. These ones, Hamilton Beach, they were rated really well online, so, and they're on sale too. Wow.
Really?
But we don't see the other ones. They're wondering where they are.
Oh, this was on sale.
Oh, the rest are down there, so we have to go down there. Oh, they have Panasonic again. Panasonic, Hamilton Beach. Hamilton Beach. They don't have anything else other than Hamilton Beach? Yeah, they kind of look flimsy. And I'm not sure about them.
So you have to press this and push it. It's not good.
Yeah, it's not good.
Same thing with this one.
Yeah, this one is good.
I don't like the mirror. I want to see what's going inside. You can see inside the microwave.
Yeah. It's big. this one is kind of nice too. Yeah, we don't want to buy a bad one and then have to come back again and buy another one again. So there's not a lot of options here either, which is sad. You like this one, my papa? Yes. And then this one. We're doing some barbecue today. We have the chicken, and my husband is doing it. And the charcoal side, we have gas on one side and charcoal on the other side. Ooh, we have some nice barbecue chicken for dinner today.
Lord. What is this?
Maybe I put like more coal. Oh, but it's still you can't put it.
What?
I was gonna say maybe you could put a little bit more coal.
No, why? Why you put more coal in there? It's hot, man. It's too hot. Yeah, put less coal.
So this was the result. It tasted so delicious. This will be our last barbecue for the summer because it's kind of getting chilly now. So you have to like put up the barbecue machine. But yeah, we loved it so much. Hey guys, so as you can see, we got the microwave. So yeah, it's pretty good so far. So we've been using it. We'll keep it for like a month. If it's good, we'll keep it. If it's not good, we'll return it. So yeah. So the style of my vlogs is like give you something like where I go out and then I'll give you like a topic. That's the style that I like. So let me know what you think. Do you guys like that? What would you want to see in my vlogs? Let me know in the comments because I want to know, okay? So today's topic is about faith. So my faith in God is really strong. I feel like without my faith in God, I wouldn't even be here right now. Like, God has been so good to me. Yes, I've prayed for stuff and sometimes it's taken like a long time, but God always comes through for me. And in Hebrews 11 verse 1, it says, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. So I just want to encourage anyone, if you're praying for something and you haven't seen anything yet, just keep on praying. God is gonna come through for you, because I've been at like rock bottom and people will be like discouraging me like, oh, why are you still hoping for that? But you know, I always say God is in control. Whatever is for you, it's not gonna pass you by. People can talk all they want, they can throw dirt on your name, but whatever is for you is for you. Nobody can stop it. Not the devil, not your mama, not some random stranger, not your haters. Nobody can stop what is meant for you. So keep the faith, keep praying. God will always come through. When everybody leaves, God is always there. God is the one that is always gonna come through for you. When you don't have any friends, when you don't have any family, God is always there. So send your prayers to Him, because He is the one that is gonna see you through. My faith in God is what has brought me this far, because I could have fallen to depression. I could have fallen into like other things, and God is the reason why I'm here. And I just want to encourage anyone who's going through anything, just keep the faith. God will see you through. And yeah, I was born in church, and I don't always go to church or whatever, but one thing that always remains is that God is always there for me. Like, yeah, I'm not going to church every Saturday, but I'm always keeping in mind that God is my keeper. He's my strength. He's there for me in times of trouble. So when anybody says anything to me, I always say, you know what? God's got this, because trust me, it's my faith in God that has brought me this far. And yes, sometimes the people in church, they are hypocrites. Not gonna lie about that. But guess what? You're not going to church for people in church. You're not worshiping God for people. You're worshiping God for yourself. What God gives you. God loves you and He cares for you, and that's what you're worshiping God for. So don't, people are in church, they're like gossiping about you, or they're criticizing you. Just don't even pay attention. Focus on Him. That's who you should be focusing on. Don't focus on the people in your path. Focus on God, because your faith in God is going to bring you to where you need to be. Trust me. And yeah, this has just been on my mind all week, about like my faith in God, God's goodness towards me, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And as I said before, whatever is meant for you is for you. No matter how many people throw dirt on your name, no matter if they hate you, if they gossip about you, if they don't like you, guess what? God loves you, and that's all that matters. Nobody can stop what is meant for you, not even the devil, okay? The devil is a liar. So hold your head high and just keep your faith in God. So with all that being said, if you like this video and you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.